What's the best position? You may need to trial a few, until you find a favorite. One of the most common positions is to sit with the djembe between your knees. Remember to tilt the drum so that the sound can escape. Other positions include standing. The drum should fall between your legs at belt height. You will need a strap. You can also sit on the drum, though I wouldn't recommend this for long periods of time. The main techniques are bass, tone, and slap. This is the first and the most important technique you will learn. It's also the most commonly used note. Make your hand flat and strike the drum in the center with the palm of your hand. Imagine that you're hitting something really hot and you need to pull your hand away. This will allow the skin of the drum to keep vibrating and producing sound. This is the second most important technique you will learn. It produces a higher pitch than the bass sound. Hit the drum with your fingers slightly cupped. Your fingers should hit the drum at the same time with the center of your fingers hitting the rim. The slap is played on the edge of the drum, like the tone sound. The hand is close to the center. Bring your hand down and let the heel of your hand strike the drum, slapping the face of the drum. These are the symbols we will be using throughout these tuition sessions.
Hi. Today we're going to be learning about the first two sounds on the djembe, the bass and the tone. The djembe skin can be hit in lots of different ways to create sounds. And we're going to start with the gun and dun sounds. I've shortened this to gu and du for our first piece of music, which you'll see in a minute. So I'll start off with the bass tones. The bass tone sound is played with just one hand near the centre of the drum. What you're meant to do is to try and bounce your whole hand off, but keep it fairly firm and not too relaxed. So like this. Okay? Remember to only have one hand on the drum at a time. And now we're going to learn the tone sounds. They're called the edge tones. They're called go and do. When I teach the djembe, I generally call this sound a tone, and this sound is played using the edge of the drum. From the bass sound position, put your hand on the drum, and then slip it back so your knuckles are just off the side of the drum. And you hit the drum, but keep your fingers quite loose. It makes quite a ringy sound. The right hand is called the go, and the left hand is called the do. And you can make a more ringy sound by holding your hand rather than flat, but at an angle. You do need to take care of your hands, so don't hit it too hard. And keep your thumb away from the edge as it can get easily bruised. So that's the first two sounds. Have fun practicing them.